In a bid to bring governance closer to the people, the executive chairman, Ijebu Northeast Local Government, Folosho Badijo, has inaugurated 21 people-oriented projects across the 10 wards of the local government. Performing the symbolic inauguration of the two of the projects, the wife of the Ogun State Governor, Mrs. Bamidele Abiodun, described the initiatives as a commendable step towards improving the lives of the people. Anthony Gandono has the details.
The 21 people-oriented projects spread across the 10 wards of the local government include the construction of a block of 2 classrooms at Muslim Primary School in Ijebu with a staff room, store and learner's desk, energizing of a 500 kVA transformer for residents of Ijari, the provision of solar-powered boreholes, provision of laboratory equipment to health centers, supply and installation of street lights, palliative road interventions, among others. Addressing beneficiaries shortly after the symbolic inauguration of the projects, wife of the Ogun State Governor, Mrs. Bamidele Abiodun, commended the executive chairman for the remarkable achievement, adding that it's a measure aimed at giving back to the society which reflect the dividends of democracy.
These are projects that will continue to serve generations long after today. True leadership is measured not by promises made, but by lives touched, and the projects we are commissioning today are visible evidence of responsible stewardship.
In their goodwill messages, prominent personalities including the Oliworo of Iworo Ijebu, Oba Debisi Onofua, APC Deputy State Chairman James Dina, and the Senior Special Assistant to the Governor on Local Government Affairs, Emiola Gazar, praised the chairman's commitment to grassroots development and urged the beneficiaries to safeguard the facilities.
That is dividend of democracy, so that no section of the local government will complain of neglect.
We need to encourage them to take charge of this project for their own benefit. So once again, I will still commend our chairman. He has done well.
Welcoming his guests, the executive chairman, Ijebu Northeast Local Government Chief Folosho Badijo, expressed appreciation to the people and added that the projects are selfless service initiatives and a fulfillment of the promises made during his electioneering campaign.
We are always being guided by His Excellency that we should make sure to be equitable and transparent. So in being equitable, you consult along before you do projects. So when they give us this request, we will now weigh it according to the available funds and make sure that, but we'll make sure that it is spread across the 10 wards.
The executive chairman, who assured residents that more of such life-changing projects are in the offing, promised to remain committed to serving the people until the expiration of his tenure. From Ijebu Northeast Aton, Anthony Gandono, NTA News.